नमस्कार आणि येवकार तुमकां FC गोवा टीव्हीत तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट आणि हांव नीरज प्रभू. जवळ जवळ 44 दिसां उपरांत ISL सुरू जाता गोंयांत. सोमारा FC गोवा खेळटले खडेगांठ जमशेदपूर FC वांगडा. FC गोवा सद्या 4थ्या पोझिशनार आसा आणि जर ते जमशेदपुरा आड सोमारा जिखले जाल्यार परत एकदा तिसऱ्या सुवातेर वतले आणि तांचे कडेन एक गेम हातानूय आसतली म्हणजे a game in hand over their rivals, and that would be a very good start to this crucial second leg of the ISL 5. It was a very lengthy break, unusual occurrence actually in Indian football, but it was necessary because of the initially the preparations and then the AFC Asian Cup and India's engagement there. So that's done and dusted, and now it's time to regroup and get going in the ISL 5. FC Goa have been there in the top 4 and are trying to get qualified for the crucial playoffs, and that would be the first goal, as always, as emphasized by coach Sergio Lobera in the initial part of the season, that getting into the top 4 is the key and sealing that playoff job. So in that regards, it becomes very important to start well, and FC Goa versus Jamshedpur FC on Monday night at Nehru Stadium, Fatorda, will be very crucial game. So we are at the SAG's Bambore Athletic Stadium, and we are all set for the pre-match press conference of respective coaches. Initially, the coach of Jamshedpur FC, Cesar Ferrando, will address the media men, and that will be followed by FC Goa coach Sergio Lobera briefing the press. So let's now go inside the press conference hall as Jamshedpur FC coach Cesar Ferrando is standing by to address the press.
Hello coach, good evening. My question is, you are playing your first game after what, a month or so. How do you see the preparations of the team after a lengthy break in terms of physicality and getting that team together?
After a break is a tough match to play as well tomorrow, no? But I think the team is prepared to play tomorrow. We have three top matches in a row. Goa, Kolkata, Mumbai. We need to do the best. We want to win, and the team is ready to play tomorrow.
Coach, has Agustin come with the team and is he fit to be in the playing level tomorrow?
No, he's not fit to play tomorrow. We have to recover his injury, and he needs more time to recover. Okay, but I think he's a good player. He needs to train more every day, and I'm sure he can play soon.
He has travelled with the team. That's only first question. He's travelled with the team.
He travelled with the team?
Yes.
But he's not playing?
Yeah, that's what he said.
Coach, how does the suspension of Carlos Carlo affect your plans?
Carlos Cabo is a player of this team, and I had against Delhi, against other team, 3 or 4 players injured. I never complained about this, and we are a team, and I have 20 players in Goa. I had to choose the best player for tomorrow, and the most important for me is the player stay in the hotel in this moment. Okay, and the demand Carlos is not here, but I had to choose between 20 players to line up.
Hi coach, last time around Jamshedpur had a great game with 4-1 result. Do you think you can do the double this time?
Goa is a good team. I hope
Cesar Ferrando believes FC Goa is a very good outfit and that he cannot take them lightly. Although his boys had prevailed 4-1 at in their home game when the Gors had travelled to Jamshedpur. But the key there was suspension of Ferran Corominas, the top striker, the key forward that FC Goa so much depend on to get their goals. And Koro was missing that game due to suspension and the Gors just didn't get going. So Jamshedpur were the handsome 4-1 victors in that game. But Cesar Ferrando doesn't believe he can repeat that in Goa, although he emphasized that they will definitely play for a victory. But he admitted that FC Goa are a much better side and they are a very good team with a very good coach. So he knows what threat FC Goa possesses in their own home game at the Fortress at Fatorda.
It's been a very long wait about the competition. It is quite unusual for any league. Before the league, actually, FC Goa scored a victory over Northeast United, and FC Goa lost momentum for how much has the preparations been affected because of this long wait.
Ha sido un parón más largo de lo usual, estamos en un muy buen momento con la victoria tan abultada contra el Northeast. ¿Cómo que se puede afectar este descanso en esa racha?
Bueno, si nos hubieran dejado elegir, evidentemente con la dinámica positiva que teníamos nos hubiera gustado continuar y no parar.
If we could choose, we would prefer not to take that break because we were at a very good momentum, as you said.
Pero el calendario es el que es y no estamos aquí para quejarnos, estamos para prepararnos de la mejor manera posible.
But we cannot complain, so we are here to get ready the best way possible.
Por lo tanto, hemos intentado, a pesar del parón, pues hacer una buena preparación para llegar de forma óptima al partido de mañana.
Therefore, even the break, we have tried to work and get ready for next match the best way possible.
Next question, please.
Do you expect the boys to get the rhythm immediately, or it will take time to get back into the same rhythm that you all played before?
¿Crees que va a costar a los chicos volver al ritmo anterior o va a ser rápido?
Bueno, esperemos que no. Para eso hemos trabajado, ¿no? Además, el parón es para todos los equipos, no solo para nosotros.
I hope it doesn't take long. That's what we've been working for, and the break has been the same for all the teams.
Last time the teams had faced off in Jamshedpur, you all had a 1-4 reverse. How do you all see the game tomorrow and the lessons to be learned from the previous encounter?
Me parece que los 4 como están haciendo, cómo ves el partido contra ellos y cómo vas a afrontarlo.
Bueno, está claro que el resultado de la ida dice el potencial del equipo que tiene el rival al que nos vamos a enfrentar mañana.
By the result of the away game, you can tell the potential of Jamshedpur.
Es un buen equipo, es un equipo que si no estás al 100% es muy difícil ganarle.
It's a very good team, and if you are not at your 100%, it's very difficult to beat them.
Y bueno, mañana lo importante es ser fuertes en casa, tener en cuenta que es un rival directo, que está peleando por meterse entre los 4 primeros y que conseguir una victoria para nosotros mañana es muy importante.
Tomorrow, the most important thing is to be strong at home and also take into account that it will be a direct rival to get into the playoffs.
Next question, please.
How does Zed Kush fit into your plans, and what's the status of Ibel Holland?
¿Cómo se ajusta? O sea, bueno, ¿qué papel va a tener ahí? ¿Cómo va a hacer lo que se mete en el equipo? ¿Cómo se adapta ahora mismo en la situación en la que está? ¿Y cuál es la situación actual de Palanca?
Bueno, Palanca es un buen jugador que con nosotros nos ha dado muy buen rendimiento hasta ahora, pero él no estaba contento con el rol que desempeñaba, jugando pocos minutos, y yo como entrenador eso lo entiendo.
Palanca is a good player. He has been doing good performances for FC Goa, but he was not having as much as minutes as he would like. And as a coach, and I understand his situation.
Por lo tanto, hemos traído a un jugador que está motivado, que tiene mucha ilusión por ayudar al equipo a conseguir conseguir sus objetivos y es un jugador que por mi idea de juego, habiéndolo entrenado anteriormente, se adapta desde el primer día a lo que nosotros queremos.
So what we have decided is to bring one player who is excited to achieve all the goals we are after, and I have coached him before in Morocco, so he fits perfectly in my system and in my team.
Is Palanca with the team or?
Es un tema de club. Ahora mismo, mañana entrará en convocatoria Said y Palanca no entrará.
That is a club matter. Tomorrow in the list of 23 players, Said will be there and Palanca won't be there.
Good.
Would you be looking to exact revenge on Jamshedpur for your loss again at Jamshedpur? Would you be looking to exact revenge on Jamshedpur?
Si mañana vas a tomar el partido como una revancha contra Jamshedpur.
No, yo creo que tenemos que intentar ayudarnos a nosotros mismos con los resultados más que perjudicar a otros, ¿no? Y mañana, con los 7 partidos que nos quedan, 4 son en casa, siendo fuertes en casa podemos conseguir el objetivo de entrar en los playoffs y más que una venganza es intentar demostrar que hemos mejorado y hemos aprendido para conseguir un buen resultado.
More than a revenge, we'll have to look for the 3 points, but only looking for our own benefit. As I said before, it's a rival, it's a direct rival, and it will be crucial 3 points to get into the playoffs.
FC Goa is known to be a team to have players playing in multiple positions. Versatility is a forte. That said, the recent team had a friendly game post a break against Vasco FC, the local outfit. Have you all tried playing your players in various positions, trying out in positions for different players, including Z, Crouch, and how is he adjusting the local players?
Dice que según cada pues un equipo muy por la versatilidad de sus jugadores y en el partido amistoso contra el Vasco probaste en diferentes posiciones y qué tal se está ajustando Said en el sistema y sobre todo con los jugadores indios.
Bueno, el partido que hicimos en estos días fue un partido más cubriendo objetivos físicos, porque probar a estas alturas son pocas cosas las que vamos a probar.
Well, actually, the game we played against Vasco was more for stamina rather than trying different things, because now at the stage that we are in the competition, there is no time to try new things.
Y en cuanto a Said, es un jugador que se ha adaptado perfectamente desde el primer día, que sus compañeros lo han acogido muy bien y que ha podido demostrar un buen rendimiento hasta ahora.
And about Said, he has adapted really quickly, also thanks to his teammates, and he fits perfectly in the squad.
Next question, please.
How crucial is the win tomorrow, considering that the win could set the tempo for Goa's performance between now and the end of the season?
Como importante sería mañana un triunfo de aquí a lo que queda de temporada.
Bueno, sería un paso importante, es verdad. Queda mucho, no se va a decidir nada mañana porque queda mucho por jugarse, pero sería un paso importante porque sería dejar a un rival directo a 4 puntos y con un partido menos.
At the time, I mean, it will be, there is still a long way to go, but it will be a huge step forward, because that will mean that if we get the 3 points, we will be 4 points ahead Jamshedpur and with 1 game in hand.
Following the press conference by Cesar Ferrando, it was time for the FC Goa coach Sergio Lobera to address the press, and what he emphasized was that it was a very, very important game, obviously a very important game at the start of the second leg of the ISL 5, and a victory here would really give them an impetus going forward in this season. He believes that the side is really good with the new signing, Zed Cruz in there, and Coach Lobera stressed that the Moroccan attacker fits very well into his plans. Although he didn't give out what's the clear status of Miguel Palanca, saying that it's the club's decision as he wants more playing time, and then he will not be a part of the squad on the match day on Monday. So we are all set for this huge game, and we are here at the Bamboe Athletic Stadium to also have a glimpse of FC Goa's training session that is coming up now. You can see in the background here the boys have come out onto the pitch and they are now going to start the training session. We'll bring you the highlights of this pre-match training session of FC Goa. It's now time to reveal the winners of the Prudent FC Goa quiz. The lucky 5 couples will get the matchday tickets, and I'm sure they will have a great time because at the Fortress, hardly anybody is disappointed. The electric atmosphere at the Nehru Stadium when FC Goa plays is to be seen, to be believed, and is to be being a part of this A great atmosphere at Fatoda should be the dream of all our viewers, and I really appreciate all of you for taking part in the Prudent FC Goa quiz, and here are the winners for this quiz.
Grab a chance to support your favorite team in 5th edition of India Super League. Answer this simple question and 5 lucky winners will win couple passes.
And the correct option is option C, Z Crouch. And the lucky winners are Gelson Gomes from Salsette, Peter Mendoza from Ponda, Nilesh Prabhu from Tiswadi, Chetan Usapkar from Pedne and Suraj Govekar from Satari. Congratulations to all the winners.
Congratulations to all of you, and see you all at the Nehru Stadium on Monday night as FC Goa face Jamshedpur FC. That's all the time we have in this show. Keep watching Prudent for all the latest developments from the FC Goa camp in the ISL 5 campaign. Thank you very much for watching the show. Goodbye then.